Mizoram Governor Zaum Tak Le Mizoram sorkar din hun poi ma tak tak chel tu te Mizoram ko han thuai tu committee ayo in kan lau pai so Krista mingin chi bai ka buk cheu ani Athian thu Chronicles pakhat na bung som ni le pakua chang som le pakhata changa chang som le pathum thu hi Athian thu ngai thang All pa rau quỷ nó tê thiếu tị thị nó tê tròi mồi nó tê nệ nó tê lal nó tê hi ita ani a lele va na zong zong hi ita ani si a all pa ram chu ita ni a mi zong zong a chung nung ber ini hau sak na le tròi mồi nó tê hi ine na ni ani a eng kim chunga thu inaya ten thil ti theina le chakna ikuta oma ikuta hian mi zong zong ti ro puina le chakna pek theina a om chuti chuan kan pathian lom thu kan ri chia in ming ro pui hi kan fake ro puina te thil ti theina te choi moi na te lal na te ita ani pathian ne na thu thiang dim mal so ro se Amen. Cái trong trai hông lalpa kan pathian kan pa vana mi min mangai tu Mizoram hun tongan ni ro pui ber voina min hu tera wangin iming kan faka inena lom thu kan soye sorkar thar min pe a chome lom luna hun lutak chu kan mang me kani heng thil hi India ramathil wang takpo ani ti kan ria olalpa kan pathian heng thil min pek le min buat sai sakawangin kan lom em alom thu kan soye im minga kan thil ti hinangin mal somang che kan ram hereng la kan rama hian rem na le muan na in mangai na le in du sakna ti puna om theinan te sorkar masai na thilalauti zong zong atra apiang tung dinga Mizoram hi ram duom tak aloni zel theina tu ren imi ten ikhongai na kandilani kandil na mingai thak sakang che kan ram hereng la imal som na le khongai na ihruai na chung kan soi tak tane kan lau pai su Krista mingin kandila che amen.
I know, but yet is coming. Yeah, I know. Don't complain anymore. Huh?
With your permission, sir, proceedings for swearing in of the Chief Minister and the Council of Ministers may now begin. With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read. Order dated 13th December 2018 in exercise of the powers vested in me by clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kummanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, hereby appoint Mizoram Thanga as the Chief Minister of Mizoram. With your permission, sir, oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Chief Minister. With your permission, sir, I request Mizoram Thanga to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Mizoram Thanga ian da inaso yang zerin India dan puirinom taka zom le von taturte manin relbol ram le kum khatanina vongdung zelin rinom le titak zita Mizoram State Chief Minister kani neilen chuak turle India dan puina phutang ngin thei nei lo le lau nei lovin du sakle wat big nei lovin mi pui te chunga thildik katiang ti kain tia me
Cô sẽ phải đúng được cái này. Nung ra là khẩm rồi. Cái này làm bắt rồi nhiều bạn nha. Mà vẫn sợ anh chỉ dành phụ lâu như thế đó. Mà là anh để bắn sợ ổn chủ. Lại ở số thar các rồi nào. Yes. Còn phải theo lưu tàu Asia à. Tàu cũng mà nè. Ngọc. Ông tê thà cái gì đó rồi. Elena xin.
Cái Mizoram thang hiền Mizoram State Chief Minister kan ina nga kan ne na thu lo lu ka ngai tu le thu thu na ta siam te chu ka mau phun na nga soi chu tu chau lo chu tu ma ne na ka puang zar lo bang ti ka in ti ame
Thằng rồi cái hàng lục về thôi cái còn thôi thật gì là con nhà có thể làm đó này được thế là thâu vấn đề tiếng đấy cả giống như bên chúng tôi luôn giống như xong việc cái gìด้วยขัดได้หรือไงนี่มี subscribe ประกันละวังดูแล้วนี่
With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram in respect of the Council of Ministers may now be read. In exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kummanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as members of his Council of Ministers. Cabinet Ministers: Puton Luya, Deputy Chief Minister. With your permission, sir, the oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Council of Ministers. With your permission, sir, I request Puton Luya to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Danin asyang zelin India dan kuirinom takazom lewon tatute mania in real bolram le kum khat ani na vongnum zelin rin omle ti tak seta Mizoram State Deputy Chief Minister kani na he len chuak tu le India dan pui na put ang ngein sai big nei lo le lau nei lo vin du sak le huat big nei lo vin mi pui ta chunga thil dik kati ang ti katiame
cần có nổi nguyên liệu có không ấy cách
Ton Luya Sian, Mizoram State Deputy Chief Minister kani na anga kanhe na thulo lut na ngai to le thutluk na kasiam te chu kamo phurna anga sei chu tu chak lo chu tu ma the na kapuang zar lawang ti ka intiame
Sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read in respect of the Council of Ministers. In exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kummanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as members of his Council of Ministers. Cabinet Ministers: Dr. R. Lalthang Liana. With your permission, sir, oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Council of Ministers. With your permission, sir, I request Fu R. Lal Thang Liana to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Dr. Lal Thang Liana hian danin sayang zelin India dan puirinom takazom le bon taturte mani rail bolaram le pumkhat ani na bongnung zelin rinom le ti takuseta Mizoram Minister kani na ilen chok tur le India dan puina putang ngein thaibik nei lo le lo nei lovin du sak le huat bik nei lovin ni puite chunga tildik katiang ti katiame
Easier was ich dir auf die Chief Minister Inkhawm. Chief Minister Inkhawm. Solo dirige solo te protocolling. Lui ha protocolling. Charge tu ha.
Dr. Lal Thang Liana hian Mizoram State Minister kani na anga kan na thu lo lut ka ngai tua le thutluk na ka siam te chu ka mo purna anga soi chwa tur chau lo chu tu ma the na puang sa rawang ti ken tiame
With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram in respect of the Council of Ministers may now be read. In exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kummanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as members of his Council of Ministers, Cabinet Ministers, who Lalcham Liana. With your permission, sir, the oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Council of Ministers. With your permission, sir, I request Lal Cham Liana to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Kay Lal Cham Liana hian danin aswayang zelin India dan puirinom taka zom le von tlat turte mania in real ball ram le pumkhat anina hongnung zel turin rinom le ti takseta Mizoram Minister kanina hi ten chuak tur le India dan puina put ang ngein thei bik nei lo le lau nei lovin du sak le huat bi nei lovin mi pui te chunga thil dik katiang ti katiam ne
Ian.
cái lâu xóm liền hiền Mizoram State Minister kani na anga kan he na thu lo lu ka ngai tu le thu tu na ka siam ke chu ka mo pu na anga soi chu tu chau lo chu tu ma he na ka puang zar lo wang ti ka in ti me
Lot of space on top. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. 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 Okay, sure. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read. With your permission, sir, the order is in exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kummanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as member of his Council of Ministers, Cabinet Ministers: Pu R. Lalzirliana. With your permission, sir, oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Council of Ministers. With your permission, sir, I request Pu R. Lalzirliana to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Lalzirliana hian dan in asoi ang zelin India dan pui rinom taka zom le wan tat turte mani in rel bol ram le khat ani na bongnung zelin rinom le ti tak zeta Minister Mizoram State kani na hi ren suak tur le India dan pui na pu dang nge in cây big này lâu lệ lâu này lâu vin du sắc lệ huat big này lâu vin mi pui te chunga thil dik kati ang ti kati ame Lalzirliana hian Mizoram State Minister kadi na anga kan he na thu lo lut ka ngai tu le thu tu na ka siam te chu ka mo phur na anga soi chua tu chau lo chu tu ma ne na ka puang zar lo bang ti ka ti ame
With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram will now be read. Order dated 13th December 2018. In exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kummanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as members of his Council of Ministers. Cabinet Ministers: Pusri Lalrin Sangha. With your permission, sir, the oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Council of Ministers. With your permission, sir, I request Pusri Lalrin Sangha to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Yan, dani na soyang zelin, India dan puilinom takazom le buntlat tute, mani in rail ball ramle kumkat ani na bongnung zelin, rinom le itak zeta minister Mizoram kanina, hilen suap turle, India dan puin apu tang lein, feibig neilogle, lau neilovin, dusak le huatig neilovin, mi puite chunga thil dik katiang ti katiame. Ilrin sang hian Mizoram State Minister kanina anga kanne na thulo lu ka ngai tuale thulu na ka siam te chu ka mo purna anga soichua turi sau lo chu tu ma ne na ka puang za lawang ti kain tiame.
With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read. Order dated 13th December 2018. In exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kummanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as members of his Council of Ministers. Ministers of State: Pu K. Lalrin Liana. With your permission, sir, the oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Ministers of State. With your permission, sir, I request Pu K. Lalrin Liana to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Kay Lalrin Liana hian danin asoyang zerin India dan puirinom taka zomle buan tlap turte mania in rail bo ramle kumkhat anina bongdung zerin rinomle titak zeta Minister of State for the State of Mizoram kanina hi len chuak turle India dan puin apu tang ngain big nei lo le lau nei lovin du sak le huat big nei lovin mi pui te chunga thil dik katiang ti katiame.
ตัวลงละ
ก็เนี่ยนะถูเราลูดก็ไงตัวเลยทุกลูกนักเสียมแต่เจ้าก็มองพูดนะอ่างใส่ชัวตัวเจ้าเราเจอตู้มาเนี่ยละกับพวงร้างระวังตีกระเตียแม่
With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read. With your permission, sir, the order is dated 13th December 2018. In exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kummanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as members of his Council of Ministers, Ministers of State, Pu Lalcham Dama Ralte. With your permission, sir, the oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Ministers of State. With your permission, sir, I request Pu Lalcham Dama Ralte to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Lalcham Dama Ralte here. Dani na sayang zelin India dan puirin om tata zom le vuan tat turte mane le boram le pum khat ani na gonung zelin rin om le ti tat zeta Minister of State for the State of Mizoram kani na hi len suak tu le India dan pui na phut ang nge in khaibik nei lo le lau nei lovin du sak le huat bik nei lovin mi pui te suwa hildik katiang ti kain ti ame Lalcham Dama Ralte here. Mizoram Minister of State kani na nga kanne na thulo lut ka ngai tu ale thutuk na ka siam te chu ka mo phur na anga sai chwa tu chau lo chu tu man he na ka puang sa lawang ti ka in ti ame
With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read. Order dated 13th December 2018. In exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kumanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as members of his Council of Ministers. Ministers of State: Pu Lalruat Kima. With your permission, sir, the oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Ministers of State. With your permission, sir, I request Pu Lalruat Kima to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Lalruat Kima hian danina soyang zelin India dan puirinom takazom le von tat turte mania invel bolram le pumkhat ani na vongnung zelin rinom le ti tak seta Minister of State for the State of Mizoram kanina hilen swak tur le India dan puin aphut ang nein theibik nei lo le hlau nei lovin du sak le huat bik nei lovin mi pui te chunga thil dik katiang ti katiame Lalruat Kima hian Mizoram Minister of State kanina ama kane na tulo chu kamai tuale lu na kasiam te chu kamo purna nga sei chu tu chau lo chu tu ma ne na ka pong za lo wang ti nei ti ave
With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read. Order dated 13th December 2018. In exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kumanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as members of his Council of Ministers. Ministers of State: Dr. K. Beichua. With your permission, sir, the oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Ministers of State. With your permission, sir, I request Dr. Beichua to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Dr. Kevin Chua hian danina soy ang zelin India dan puirin taka zom le wontla turte ma nin rel bol ram le khata ani na ong nung zelin ring le titak seta Minister of State for the State of Mizoram kanina hi len chuak tur le India dan puina put ang in heibik ni lo le lau ni lovin du sak le huat bik ni lovin mi pui tu chunga il dik katiang ti katiame Dr. Kevin Chua hian Mizoram Minister of State kanina nga kanena thu lo lu ka ngai tu le thutluk na ka siam te chu ka mo phurna anga soi chua tu chau lu chu tuman hena kapuang zar lawang ti katiame.
With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read. Order dated 13th December 2018, in exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kummanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as members of his Council of Ministers. Ministers of State, Pu T.J. Lakluhna. With your permission, sir, the oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Ministers of State. With your permission, sir, I request Pu Lakluhna to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Ize lalun kluang hian danin asoi ang zelin India dan pui rinom taka zom le vuan tak turte mania in rel bol ram le khat anina vongnung zelin rinom le ti tak zeta Minister of State for the State of Mizoram kanina hi ren suak tur le India dan puin aphut ang ngein khaibik nei lo le lau nei lovin du sak le huat bik nei lovin mi pui chunga hildik katiang ti katiame Dize lalun kluang hian Minister of State kanina nga kanhena thulo lu kangai tu le thutluk na kasiam te chu kamo phurna nga soi chua tu chau lo chu tu ma hena kapuang zar lawang ti ka in tiame
With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read. Order dated 13th December 2018, in exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Kummanam Rajsekaran, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister, appoint the following persons as members of his Council of Ministers. Ministers of State, Pu Robert Romoya Royte. With your permission, sir, the oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Ministers of State. With your permission, sir, I request Pu Robert Romoya Roite to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy.
Robert Romoy Roite hian dalina soyang zelin India dan puiri takazom le wan tlak turte mania in real ball ram le pum khat ani na vongdung zelin rin le ti takseta Minister of State for the State of Mizoram kani na hilen chuak tur le India dan puin akut angein thei big nei lo le lo nei lovin du sak le wat big nei lovin mi pui te chunga thil dik kati ang ti kati ame na anga sui chuat tur chau lo chu tu ma ne na ka puang zar lawang ti ka in ti ame
With your permission, sir, I request the proceedings may now be concluded. The Hallelujah chorus.
Hallelujah.